It's important to pay attention to the issues your car may be experiencing when your check engine light comes on. The light could indicate major issues, like a bad catalytic converter, an engine misfire, or it could be a minor problem with your vehicle, like a loose gas cap or faulty sensor. Our factory-trained team at Lufuse CDJR will use advanced diagnostic technology to find the source of the problem. Once the vehicle has been fully inspected, our team will perform the necessary service on your engine. Complimentary amenities are available, including Wi-Fi, service specials, experts, and more. Relax in our comfortable waiting area and enjoy complimentary coffee and refreshments. We look forward to serving you.